My fourth tutorial is on Starfall. Starfall is a free website and an app that allows students to play learning games independently in an age-appropriate way. I love that this site is easy to navigate for little ones and is often the first website my kinders learn to navigate on their own. When the kindergartners come into school, it's really hard for them to use a mouse, and especially even the mouse pad on a laptop. So these large icons that you can see are easy for them to start learning to use that. The intended audience for this app is my students, with the goal of them practicing independent learning, mainly in the reading content area. They have some math things on here, but they're really not as good as the reading content. So I'll kind of show you some of the stuff on here that they do. Under ABCs, this is really good for the beginning of the year. You can see they have sign language too. But like for G, I know you can't exactly hear.
G. G.
But they show the letters, and then they also show the sound. And then they also show a visual to kind of help with the sound. So it does some letter things. It also reads books to the students in these two areas here. It has some fun stuff, like down here it tells you the sounds in the word pumpkin and lets them make their own. There's also some math stuff, but again, I like the reading stuff a lot better on their website than the math. It's completely free. The app I like as well doesn't have as much free stuff, but it's still good for the kindergartners to get used to using an iPad. It helps them out with that. This resource meets the ISTE Education Standards 6A and 6B. These standards discuss students taking ownership and managing their use of technology in independent and group settings. And I think this website absolutely does that because it really allows them to be independent with a learning website or app for the first time. Thank you.